Every now and again, we till the soil, we walk the rivers in the forest, we do the work, but it's important that even as we wear the masquerade dancing around, we have to go back to the source of the masquerade, and then as an elder of the clan, to report to you on the work that we've been doing. We have decided for this conversation to focus on just one thing. It is about industrializing. It simply means take our own products, parcel them, create the value. That trade cannot happen unless we produce. We can only trade what we produce, not the handouts that we get from outside.
We continue to exploit and export raw materials without value addition. That answer is no. The industrialization of Africa cannot end in theoretical discussion. If we have you and others as guarantors of tomorrow, as a pillar of development and a vision-focused program of industrialization.
So in agriculture, we also intended to work very closely with the Bank of Agriculture to change that area. There is need for significant processing, and we have committed with them to do so. One area where we think significant impact was reached was the Medical Center of Excellence, the hospital. We want to say that the things that we have done in Nigeria are not done. We are not proud of it. We think it's a duty. Nigeria itself represents 24% of the bank's shares. The vice president who set up the bank was Nigerian and extremely Pan-Africanist.